President Emmerson Mnangagwa made a surprise question and answer session in the National Assembly Wednesday. His first informal appearance since power, infamously cut off during his State of the Nation address months ago. Sanabana mashoko kuda pangwa ino achilikuwa zimtungamiri wenyika ozungwane kwangu lenda parliament akanojoina the question and answer session. Little subscribe or like or on the bell like team lab no mobile kwa mchenzi. The unexpected visit, cloaked in a language of democratic oversight, has sparked speculation about the president's increasingly assertive presence in the legislative affairs, especially in the wake of the calculated dismission of the opposition Citizens Coalition for Change (CCC). Mnangagwa's appearance comes after a sustained and highly controversial campaign to neutralize the opposition, spearheaded by political actors in CHABANGU, who claimed to be the CCC's interim Secretary General, despite lacking clear constitutional or grassroots legitimacy within the party, authored a series of letters to Parliament leading to the recall of over 20 MPs and councillors closely aligned to NelsoncHAMISA. The recalls, rubber-stamped by Speaker Mutenda without court confirmation or internal party inquiry, triggered by elections that were swiftly won by candidates aligned to Mnangagwa's ZANU-PF or pliant CCC faction. Analysts argue that the move allowed Mnangagwa to manipulate the composition of parliament, eroding checks and balances, and tightening his grip over the legislature. Now, with parliament virtually devoid of CHAMISA loyalists and CHABANGU widely seen as a proxy working in ZANU-PF's interest, Mnangagwa's surprise attendance is being viewed as more than a democratic gesture. Rather, it is read as a victory lap in a house now overwhelmingly friendly to his administration. Posting on his X handle later that evening, Mnangagwa wrote, "Today I joined proceedings in the National Assembly to follow Wednesday question and answer session. I found the deliberations insightful and affirming of our democratic processes." But critics say the move is ironic, if not ingenious. What transparency is he affirming when the opposition is being dismembered through parliamentary recalls and the judicial capture, asked one political analyst who declined to be named. Speaker Mutenda, a long-time Mnangagwa ally, welcomed the visit. Members of the House, in terms of our constitution, His Excellency the President is part of the legislature. There is also another reason he was around today. He was assessing aspects of the parliament building vis-a-vis future developments. As Mnangagwa tightens his control over every arm of the state, Wednesday's parliamentary ambush may not have been about observing democracy, but demonstrating who now owns it. Domba shoko arubula nyongo pamsoro awa PSF prize visit witone mtungamiri wenyeka the parliament. Tuze mafunguro enyu mutudi pamsoro pichitwe ichi. Ndako message medu mzimafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.